Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to portrait your landscape in Filmora. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and download the Wondershare Filmora application. Now when you do that, you just need to go and log into Filmora, but that is not necessary. Now, after that, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, we have the File, Edit, Tools, View, Export, and the Help option. And we also have the Media, Audio, Titles, Transition, Effects, Elements, and Split Screen. In the top, we have also the Export button, which is great because we don't have a video inside. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and portrait to landscape in Filmora. So basically, what you guys need to do, firstly, is have a video in Filmora. So what we need to do is go and put a video. So I'll be putting a sample video, but of course you put a video that you will want to do on. Now you'll need to go and drag it down here and you have your video on your timeline. Now after putting it in, you need to double click on the video clip in the timeline to enter the video editing panel. So you need to double click on it, as you can see, and we have it here now. Now expand the transform menu. So basically the first menu, and here add the find the rotate option. You can drag the slider on the entering specific number to adjust the rotation value. So you can rotate it, and that's basically how you can do it. So guys, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed this video and found it informative, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. And guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.